Girl, it's not gonna. Oh my god.
Yes, it is, bro.
Hi, guys. Hey, guys. So, this is our trip. Today we have some steamed dumplings, some shrimp lo mein, some sweet and sour chicken. Some plain fried rice. Some plain white rice. Oh shit. White rice. I don't know why you gotta put the emphasis on the white. And a root beer. And monster. Don't wheeze on the dumplings. Don't wheeze on the dumplings. Wait, who's getting the egg roll? We'll split it in half. Just slice it. Okay, I will. Are we starting? Yeah, we're starting. Okay. We might as well. It's been 2 minutes doing nothing. So we're gonna normally like for mukbangs they talk about their day, so let's talk about our day. I'm gonna choke. Shout out to China Walk. This is gonna be the funniest video as we're looking back at it. At each other's weddings, just. So, like the mukbanger, Boggy, eat with Boggy. I'm gonna try to take a big bite like she does. Dude, I nearly choked when I did. Ew. Okay. I can't be laughing or else I'll choke. Okay, look at you. She's got that whop. Yeah. Wet ass pierogi. It's not even a pierogi. Fucking idiot. Now some that was the chair. Rice. You open it and explode. She taps on it, and because she tapped on it, it just explodes everywhere. Listen. We're not high or drunk, I swear. We are under the age. We are under the legal age. Under the age. What age? I'll peep the matching shirts. Oh yeah. You don't even know that. You're like. Wait, watch this. Oh yeah. Brought to you by Walmart. I'm so sorry.
You almost died me.
We've done nothing in 8 minutes. Before we start this story time, I have to explain that last time we had this Chinese food, when I called the place, I wasn't expecting a guy with like a thick accent, so I was like, and like I started laughing, and he was like, hello, and I was like,
She had to hang up.
and then I blocked him on my old phone, that way they didn't call me, and I called them from the house phone. So we're in Walmart today. It's the same guy, and everything's going well. I'm ordering everything, and it's like, can I have a quart of the swimp? And like as soon as I said that, we looked at each other. Like, and I was like,
We started laughing so hard
And
in the middle of a Walmart aisle.
and I'm just like,
Guys, all right. So move the chicken. This is my swimp lo mein.
drops it.
Thumbnail.
Wait. Wait. Okay.
And like, or they zoom in on the face and stuff.
Yeah. Me eating the.
Like it'll be like a clip of you trying to get a dumpling and then it falls off the fork and it zooms in on your face.
Why don't we have oh, we didn't bring up napkins.
I'm not getting them. This is not
avocado who?
Nicocado avocado. What? I said Nicocado. No, I didn't. I swear to God, I didn't say that. I said Nicocado avocado.
Well, knock it out. Like, edit it out just in case.
I love how we both went into the camera and showed our stuff. Damn, how do mukbangers do this? I'm already starting to get full. This was us attempting a mukbang 2020.
Let us know if we did good. We already know the answer.